All aircraft hold position. There's a tornado coming.
Oh, come on. We're already on the runway.
Spirit 861, where are you going?
Vegas?
Spirit 861, you can't do that. I ordered a ground stop.
Yeah, but not an air stop.
I need to never fly Spirit again. All air... Aircraft hold position. VIP aircraft on airport grounds.
Oh, come on. We're already delayed.
Spirit 905, where are you going?
Orlando?
Spirit 905, you can't do that. You have to wait for the VIP aircraft.
Yeah, we ain't got time for this.
Never ground a Spirit flight.